Ilang taon ka na, LA?
Parang 5-6 years.
5 years. Sa ganun bang katagal nyo na sa industry, naka-experience na rin kayo ng latest na pinag-uusapang issue ngayon, may sexual abuse na nangyayari?
Harassment.
Or harassment. May mga na-encounter na ba kayo? And how did you handle the situation?
Awa ng Diyos po, I've never had that experience. I don't think LA has ever had that experience. Pero it has to stop. Marami po akong naririnig, it's industry secret that only industry people know about mostly, pero it has to stop. If you have a dream, stop trying, to take the shortcut. If you know what I mean. If you have a dream, you work hard. You have to work hard. You cannot take shortcuts just to get you up there. And being sexually abused, it has to stop. And I think people who have experienced this, come forward. Come forward.
So nung baguhan ka, walang nag-offer sa'yo na kung gusto mong sumikat agad?
I mean, kung meron man po mag-offer sa akin, I cannot. I will not. I love my craft and I'm not going to, sacrifice my dignity just for this industry.
Pero may mga kakilala ka na...
Not personal friends or anything. Wala po akong kaibigan na nakaranas ng ganun. Pero I have heard about a few others. Pero I cannot say, of course. It's not my story to tell.
Hindi ka na parang ang tawag dito, na-dismaya na may mga ganito. And yung parang ayoko nang tumuloy sa showbiz kasi may mga ganito pala.
Nakakadismaya po talaga. This should not even be, a topic that's talked about. It shouldn't even exist, honestly. Pero, wala eh. There's always two sides to everything. There's the good and the bad. Nasa sa'yo po kung paano mo, how you will stay away from it, how you will deal with it if you have, encountered that.
How about indecent proposals from, mga authorities?
Hindi rin.
Wala rin naman.
Wala rin po.
Co-actors.
Na ano po?
Naharas. Wala rin.
Wala.
Pero paano mo i-handle yun? Just in case na meron magano sa'yo? May mag-attempt.
Malaki po yung pangako, I'm going to come forward. I'm sorry. I cannot stay quiet about this. And, bahala na. But I cannot stay quiet about it.
Maiksi lang naman sasabihin ko dito, yung mga ganun na tao, yung mga salbahing taong ganun. Kilala niyo naman kung sino kayo, kung nanonood man kayo. Huwag na kayo magpakita sa mundong ito, tsaka sana bumalik sa inyo yung kung ano mong ginawa.
So ikaw, LA, wala ka nang na-experience na director or anyone from the production na alam mo, nag-take advantage sa'yo? Kasi syempre gwapo ka eh.
Wala po, pero kung may makita lang ako na kahit hindi ko ganun ka-close, pero makita kong ginaganon siya, talagang poprotektahan ko yung tao. Saka, hindi kasi deserve ng mga tao nagaganon. Saka, it's sad knowing po na dito sa industriya natin, maraming ganun talaga. Maraming matuling tao na sadly to say po. Kaya, yun nga, yung mga taong ganun, yun din ako sino kayo, babalikin sa inyo.
So wala ka rin mga personal encounters na sa mga kaibigan?
Wala po, dahil kung meron man, makakarinig sila sa akin.
Pero, LA, okay ka na ba? Kasi ngayon ko rin congratulate. Based on the trailer, ibang-iba na yung LA na nakakita ko, yung performance mo. So, malaking bagay yung pagkakapanalo ng award. Sa TV